Here's a 2017 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, 4 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.